Hello friends, I hope you are doing good in your quarantine days. Today we are going to learn how to data log in Google Sheet. Here I will store data of DHT11 like temperature and humidity into Google Sheet by using IFTTT API. Let us start. I have already created schematic diagram for ESP32 and for ESP8266. If you are using ESP32, so I connected signal pin on GPIO 4, and if you are using Node MCU, so you can connect signal pin on D3 pin, means GPIO 0. I will go to my browser. I will open here IFTTT website. I will create a applet. I will create an if. I will search here web hooks. Click on this. Create event name DHT11 trigger and click on trigger. Here search Google Sheet. Add row spreadsheet. I'll click here. I am using here two value, temperature and humidity. Create action. Click on finish. Click on webhooks again. Go to documentation. This is API key. Here I will type event name DHT11. Here I will put a random value, suppose 22. Here is 33, and just I will test. Event has been triggered. I will open my Google Drive. Here you can see IFTTT folder. It is created automatically. This is the DHT11 folder, and here is file. Oh, it is not updated. Sorry. I will click once again, test it. Event has been triggered. Okay, I will open. Yeah. Oh, previously it was updated already. You can see 2 times it is updated. If I will again change the value 1122, sorry, 22, you can see here. Wow. Now I will copy this API key. Now we will go to MicroPython programming. So I will open my new PyCraft IDE. I have already written the code. Here I import pin library because I am using GPIO 4 pin for signal pin of DHT11 sensor. I import here DHT11 class of DHT sensor library. This network library to create connectivity with my network. uRequest library allow us to make HTTP request, turn off OS debug messaging. This is garbage collector. Here I will type SSID of my local network. Here I will paste my API key. Here my ESP board is converted as a Wi-Fi station, and here activate Wi-Fi station. Here my board will be connected to my network by using SSID and password. It will waiting until the network connected. This is sensor object by using DHT11 class. This is measure function. It will measure the humidity and temperature. Temp variable will store the temperature value and humidity variable will store humidity value of sensor. It will print on cell. This is sensor reading variable. It will assign the value. Value 1 is temperature and value 2 is humidity. And here is URL, request URL, which is contains API key and sensor reading and request headers. And here is request close function. Now I will connect my board. COM port 3. Board is ESP32. I will save and run. You can see here temperature is 31 degree centigrade. Humidity is 92%. And here is written, congratulations, you have fired the event. Sorry. I have to write here event name DHT11. Once again I will save and run. Wow, you can see here, congratulations, you have fired DHT11 event. Okay, I will go to my browser and I will open my Google Sheet. Yeah, you can see here DHT11 32 degrees centigrade and 92% humidity. Now I will upload in ESP8266 board. I will change here COM port 3 and here is ESP8266. I will save and run. What is problem? Fail to read. Oh, just I will comment and it will be and comment. I will again save and run. I will open my browser. Here you can see 32 degrees centigrade and 95% humidity. See here, value 2 is 95, value 1 is 32. I will again run. Now here is 90% humidity. I think humidity is changing suddenly. Here is 90%, 32 degrees centigrade. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you are learning a lot of things. So please do like, comment and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon up after subscribing my channel. Thanks for watching.